So in this project, if you so choose the pull toy construction, um, just a little introduction to it. So the pull toy is something that's just pulled along the ground, and then a certain movement is produced other than the movement of pulling it. So just like with some of these toys, like a children's toy that you've seen, maybe you pull the horse and it rocks its head back and forth, or you pull the car here and it makes a noise, or you pull the caterpillar and he kind of wiggles around. So all of those things, you're pulling it in one direction, but the movement of the wheels is forcing some kind of mechanism to transfer the energy to some kind of other mechanism that's doing something else. So pretty simple in theory, but it's going to test a little bit of your building and your knowledge of mechanisms. So make sure you review your procedure for this. Make sure you work with your team and you're following the design process. Remember, you're going to fill out one of these, either the design brief template, the decision matrix template, or the design process solution. And then the rubric for this is located under your files, and it looks like this. So you're going to be graded on all these different areas. So your design brief, remember a design brief is something that includes information about the client, who you're making it for, who made it, what the actual problem is that you're working on, a design statement for your design, things that are limiting your design or designs, and then things that you're actually delivering to the consumer or the client. Then make sure that you're going to be taking notes. Remember to fill out one of those templates that we just went over. Make sure to research, do sketches. Usually you do a decision matrix, so that way you are using an evaluation to evaluate all your different designs, and using quantitative data in order to come up with a conclusion. Your prototype, so your final product that you end up making, needs to make sure it matches the final design from up here. And then hopefully after you make it, you'll be testing and evaluating it to make sure that it works and does what it's supposed to do and what you thought it would do. And then of course last you got teamwork here. So that's kind of the ins and outs of your pull toy construction if you decide to go that route.